We are unboxing the iPhone Air again because I have actual problems. I unboxed this phone back in the fall and ended up returning her, but she has lived in my mind rent-free. So yes, to the Apple store we go. But first we need a coffee, and nothing hits like a blonde vanilla latte. Now that we're energized, it's time to pick up the newest member of my Apple family. The aura in an Apple store needs to be studied. Every time I'm here, I get sucked in, but today we are on a mission. Miss iPhone Air has arrived, and the vibes were almost perfect until... Tell me why the girl working there was like bullying me into getting Apple Care. She's like, how are you gonna protect your phone? Like, do you have Apple Care? I'm like, no. She's like, then what are you gonna do to protect it? I'm like, I have a lot of cases, girly. And she's like, that's what everyone says. And I'm like, you don't know my story. Let me choose my path, okay? And she's like, you're looking at like $700 if you want to fix it. And I'm like, yeah, it'll be fine. Every time I go into the Apple store, I feel like I'm doing like an FBI heist mission because I know they're gonna yell at me, but I still try to record in there anyway. When I walk through those doors, I get like an adrenaline rush and I can't breathe. But Siri, play Breathe In by Ariana Grande because we got air. Mrs. Gold iPhone Air was born at 10:36 on January 20th. Let's bring her home and let's open her up. Me and my hair are very excited. I don't know why it's doing that, but let's just ignore that, okay? We're focused on Mrs. iPhone Air today. This one's for the vibes, okay? We're not talking about a single spec. This is basically the iPhone Air fan club, aka the iPhone Air cult. I think I just joined. Let's admire her. The box alone is so beautiful. I mean, just look how skinny and gorgeous she is. The reason I got this phone, let me give you guys the backstory. Like I said, I fell in love with this phone, but I decided as a content creator, not to be annoying, the Pro Max was better. And I'm not gonna lie, that was the right choice for me. However, I have issues and I wanted this phone still. Here's my thought process. I have a website and I make digital downloads. There are so many times that I want to take a picture or video of my phone and I have to whip out a camera, like an actual camera, and like get the SD card and do all that. With the iPhone Air, I can record my Pro Max easily. Is that the most extra reason ever? Maybe. However, it could be a business expense. This could be the secret to what blows up my business. This is the SAGELLE phone. I also just wanted to have it. And you know what Ariana Grande said? I see it, I like it, I want it, so I bought it. I think one day people are gonna like reminisce on the iPhone Air and how beautiful it was. I want to own that. I want stocks in that, you know? The iPhone Air really is just that girl. Like, she is truly the ultimate luxurious lifestyle phone. The list goes on, you know? The list goes on. So I went with the gold because I just thought it would look the best in pictures and videos. I got this phone to be a model.
Girl, you walk like you on crack.
I usually get black phones, not this year because they didn't have that.
Where's the black?
But honestly, I really do kind of think that the gold is the prettiest option. I had the black one and it was gorgeous, but it got so many fingerprints on it. I was like, this is gonna drive me insane. So anyway, let's just actually shut up and open it. Admire her beauty. As you can see, they flex her side profile.
So you think I'm skinny?
This is gonna be me at the end of my hot mom era. We are getting snatched this year like the iPhone Air. Let's do some ASMR. Get your sunglasses because you're about to be blinded by this beauty. Oh my goodness, she's so gorgeous. Hello? Okay. This phone is prettier than me. Like, I'm not even kidding. Come to mama. So cringe. Here we go. Look at the size of her alone. Like, that is seriously so luxurious looking and gorgeous. The sides of this phone, specifically the gold one, it's a work of art. Like, this should be in a freaking museum. All right, let's feel it. Oh my goodness. It feels so good to be back. The lightness of it alone really just adds to that vibe of richness. It just feels like fresh energy. She is giving air, like she really is. It's like a cloud in my hand. Here's a look at the back. It is basically white. It's like a very cream white. So if you're looking for like yellow gold, that's not really the vibe here. This is more of like a champagne, like cream beige moment, which honestly I think is kind of prettier. iPhones with the white back are so classic Apple. Like, it just gives that Apple aesthetic, you know what I mean? And I did get an outfit for her. This is the clear Apple case. When I first opened this last time, I fell in love with this case, guys. Like, I'm not kidding. This is the thinnest phone case I've felt in my entire life. You can't even tell a case is on your phone, low-key. Let's bust into it. Let's open it. This is the frost color. They also had a black one this year. It's kind of like a matte texture. Oh my gosh, it's so thin. The video doesn't even do it justice on how nice this phone feels when you're holding it. And I'm not gonna lie, I picked my shirt out today to match this iPhone. I get a lot of questions like what long sleeve shirts I wear. These are the Skims cotton long sleeve t-shirts. Highly recommend that. But anyway, back to the Diva. I don't plan on putting service on this. I really just wanna use it at home. Let's go ahead and turn her on and set her up. Hello. I seriously am gonna be obsessed with this phone. Like, my Pro Max is actually gonna hate me. Ew, it feels so chunky now. When you're holding this and then you go to pick this one up, this is giving brick. She's awake.
Rise and shine.
Let's get into it. We're gonna do English, United States. We are gonna select the view. I think we should do default. I'm gonna set it up fresh. I'm not gonna use my phone so we can have like fresh energy on here. I'm gonna put the Wi-Fi in. Guys, it feels so good to hold. I said this last time, but it literally feels like you're holding a mini M&M. I know that sounds stupid, but it really does give like mini M&M. It's saying it might take a few minutes to activate the phone. I'm not gonna do that. We skipped the activation. I was low-key like panicking for a second because I was like, wait, are they gonna force me to do that? Because like, I don't want to do that, but I was able to skip it. This is asking my age. I feel like this is new. I haven't seen that before. I'm an adult getting an iPhone Air for the second time. We're doing Face ID. Guys, the way my hair is sticking up is actually giving like insane. I cannot get over how amazing this phone feels. Sophia White is joining the chat. This animation never gets old. It's so freaking cute. We're setting up Apple Intelligence. Is it bad that I don't like the summarizing though? I hate when it does that, so we're not doing that. Guys, I'm sorry about the glare. That is like so bad. My action button's just gonna be the mute button. We are in. We are in.
Finally!
Just admire. What a gorgeous phone. I cannot believe I have another phone. Like, that is so extra, but here's what she looks like. Nothing hits more than a fresh home screen from the Apple store. It's giving I took this off the display. It just feels like a new iPhone. So I guess now let's make her cute. So first I'm airdropping myself this wallpaper, and this is from the iBaddie theme pack that's coming out in February. I'm gonna go ahead and use that for my lock screen and for my home screen. For the home screen customization, I like to make the apps bigger and get rid of the labels. Then I'm tinting them to match the background and making it the lightest color pink. And this is actually low-key better than doing the clear option because it still adds a little bit of color into the app icons. Then I'm just going and downloading the essential apps I'll be using on this phone since it is a business phone after all. And that's pretty much it. We have a cute pink moment which is going to transform as I finish the rest of the theme pack, and she is ready to model. Now that she's matching my entire Apple family, I feel like we are perfectly set. And this was like the missing piece to my ecosystem. I do still plan on using the Pro Max. I feel like this is still gonna be like my main phone, but the Air is gonna be the perfect like secondary device so I can actually like switch between the two different cameras. Even just around the house, like holding a lighter phone I think is gonna be so nice just to get a break from holding the Pro Max all day because it seriously starts to hurt your hand. Like, I'm not even kidding. I feel like if you aren't like super into creating content and you just want like a good phone, the Air is such a good choice. Like, this is such a good phone. And I think a lot of people like slept on this phone because they're like, oh, the battery's not as good and blah, blah, blah. It's a good phone, like, please. So that's so f***ing sassy. I'm so happy that we got it and I got to unbox her again. I had just as much joy, if not more, the second time than I did the first time. And like I said earlier, this phone is for that luxurious lifestyle. She's for the vibes. And this is not for the people that are gonna sit and dissect every little spec and be like, oh my god, Samsung did that first, blah, blah, blah. I literally don't care. Anyone that bought this phone does not care. So if you're one of those, I don't even know how you made it this far. She is gorgeous. I'm so happy we got her. And I just feel even more like an official businesswoman now that I have two phones. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more Air content because this is not the last time you will be seeing her. We will see you in the next one. Bye.